Yo, how's it going? Colby Landon here. Welcome back to Skills and Builds. You guys aren't going to want to miss this one. Right now we are about to head over to the Bush compound and we're going to be doing a full track rebuild, which I'm super stoked about. We got more dirt sitting over there. We have a tractor sitting over there, one with treads on it, which I've never used before out of probably the 100 tractors I've drove. So I'm super stoked to try that out. And I can't wait to show you guys the plan for the new track. We're looking at maybe 90-foot straights on sides, which is pretty big. But, you know, there's such a vast range of track sizes these days. But what I'm really stoked about is I thought about it for months because Brian was like, hey, if we did change the track, what could we do? And one day it just clicked, this really cool little design that I think is just going to work out amazing. So let's get over there and we got to tear this whole track down and then start getting on the new track. And I can't wait anymore. Let's go hop in the car, let's get over there and let's start tearing it down. Looks like Brian already got a head start on all this stuff. Currently I'm gonna get started on tearing down the track, watering everything, mixing it all up, breaking up the dirt clods, so it's gonna take a little while. We got a 5 horsepower pump over here with the water tank, and I'm gonna soak the track. We're gonna start in one section and basically get that whole area level and work our way out from there, building up piles. As you can see, I kind of built up this trough after I've already stacked this dirt up, try to mash out some of the dirt clods, watered it, and then I stacked it into this trough. We've already put in, I think, 1,700 something gallons since yesterday, so still gonna need some more, a lot more tomorrow, probably double that tomorrow, if not more. We used to have a really big, beautiful tree right here, but we spent about 45-50 minutes popping this sucker out wall to wall. We're looking at like 45 feet, so we're gonna have a massive like Daytona berm here with potential wall rides on all 3 sides, which I think makes this maybe the new most unique feature on the track, and the feature I'm probably most excited for, but we'll have to see how the rest of the build goes. Alright, so we're on the beginning of day 4 and we already lost well over a day's worth of build time from trying to fix the tractor and trying to fix it a second time. I've been doing the same process of breaking it all up into little piles, watering it, stacking it, and then soaking it again. I'm gonna start by building up probably half of this corner today and doing that so that I could kind of water it throughout, and then also doing that so I can line it up with this next corner. So when I'm stacking this thing, obviously it has a nice moisture from all the watering and chopping up we've been doing the last couple days, but when I'm stacking it, I'm not necessarily just stacking tons of loads and then shaping it out. I'm stacking almost half a load at a time and then pack it in, smear it out, and I'm putting most of it on the front and kind of pushing it up and over so that I can break it up more and more. And I also wanted to stop stop right here at this segment of building in the corner to explain something. If you guys do have a tractor and you're building a corner, that you want to start by building it, let's say this is maybe half as tall as it's going to be, but that's like the main bulk of the corner, right? What you want to do at this point, around this point, maybe a hair further along, but about this point, and I already did it once when it was smaller, but the reason I left it so flat is so that I could drive over the top and take the bucket and pull it back up and over and really clean up more and more of the backside of this corner. So here's what it looks like right now. And if I had made this turn too steep like it's gonna be, I wouldn't be able to mess with the back of it right now. So if you have a tractor, you're using it a lot and not just throwing it dirt down and just trying to get it done quick. All these good things take time. Now I'm gonna start cleaning up this whole straight right here, because we're gonna have another turn right here. So this will basically be like an oval track here on the inside with another straight on the outside going into a 90-degree turn going up onto that table back there. So for right now, I'm gonna just be cleaning this whole straight up all in here. I need to have a line that basically feeds straight into this turn, so all this stuff needs cleaned out. We're gonna hop in that tractor and get things done. We got probably 3/4 of the track finished. Each day that I finish something, I can come back the next day and really finish it even better. Once it's watered, it just smooths out so much better. So when you have a tractor, like this for instance, I stacked this up yesterday. It was kind of dry and all these dirt clods, but today that's gonna smooth out really nice. And I plan on making this a little bigger, but if I didn't, that would be a perfect example. I did a little raking here just to see how it would look. This section here is going to be super cool with this roller into this roller out of this berm, roller into this berm. Each day when you have a tractor, you can water the berms after you build them and stack them up higher the next day. So that's what I've done a bit here. I built this double and I kind of want it, if you can see, I kind of want it to be a slight step down. A higher speed double like this one, you don't need them too deep, and I don't think you need to have it go down super far amount to make it feel like a step down. This I plan on maybe 3 or 4 inches lower on this side than the lip, but it'll be noticeable when you ride it. Trust me on that one. still need to even put about a half more scoop of dirt on the front side of this and rake that all out. Probably put a little bit extra on here. This is all really well packed in, so one little tip is you could put a little bit of extra dirt on the top just to rake out. Today I'm going to be putting a lot of this dirt into this corner just right here for now, and start building these two really tech smaller rhythms side by side over here. One's going to come into this turn, one's going to go into this outside turn. Are going to be a 90-degree turn here and a big steep lip. We got to add a little bit more to this step up and clean up some things over here. I think we got some help coming later today, so I'm hoping to move all that dirt, all this dirt today, and at least get the track shaped in. I don't know if we'll be done with the tractor for good, but we're gonna try and get all the dirt moved into place. Woo-wee, let's go. I got almost everything built out. I just need to build one more jump, the beginning of this turn, the end of that turn, and then we're on to just hand finishing. Right now, got my buddy Kai over here helping us out. Look at what we just finished up. We're working on the back side of the turn first. I like to build my corners by building the back side first, and if you think about it, this is probably going to be like the biggest feature on the track as far as like hand finishing a huge amount of space. It's like 60 by 8 foot of hand finish.